Hey lovelies! Today we're diving deep into the world of fashion with some game-changing tips on perfecting your outfits. It's all about the details, so let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about fit and proportion. One of my biggest fashion mistakes was not understanding my own body type. I used to think all clothes would fit me the same way they fit the models online. Boy, was I wrong. Fit and proportion are everything, and getting them right can transform your entire look. Okay, mistake number 1, ignoring material and structure. Ever tried on a blazer that just didn't sit right? That's because different materials drape differently. A lightweight blazer will drape and flow, while a wool blazer will give you more structure. It's all about matching the material to the look you want. Now let's chat body shape. I have broad shoulders, but I used to compare myself to celebrities with completely different body types. Big mistake. Understanding your own proportions like shoulder to hip ratio and leg to torso ratio is crucial for finding what flatters you best. Right, onto some outfit revamps. First up, jeans and boots. I used to wear short, tapered jeans with chunky boots, which created an imbalance. The trick here is to go for longer, slightly flared jeans to balance out the proportions. Pair them with a cropped black shirt and a fitted v-neck or bodysuit under your blazer for a more polished look. And don't forget, less chunky boots are your friend. Next, let's tackle the graphic tee and trousers dilemma. A flimsy graphic tee that clings and wrinkles easily is a no-go. Instead, opt for a thicker tee with more structure. Men's tees can be a great option for this. And remember, the trousers need to match the vibe of the tee. Blend streetwear with business elements carefully. Now the red shoes and puffer jacket combo. Flared, pleated trousers added too much volume at the hips, and the red shoes clashed with the jacket. The key here is to harmonize the colors and proportions. Choose trousers and shoes that complement the rest of your outfit seamlessly. Monochromatic looks can be tricky too. High-waisted skinny jeans can sometimes throw off your proportions. Play around with different cuts and colors to create a balanced, cohesive look. Monochrome doesn't have to mean boring. Lastly, the overcoat and sweatshirt debacle. A crewneck sweatshirt paired with a turtleneck felt too claustrophobic, and the loose sweatpants with low sneakers just didn't work. Opt for a lower neckline on your sweatshirt, and consider a different fit for your sweatpants. High-top sneakers can also help balance out your proportions. So, there you have it. Remember, fashion is all about understanding fit, proportion, and your own body type. With these tips, you'll be revamping your style in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Stay stylish, lovelies. Bye for now, or